or if I just want to look really freaking cool. Okay, sorry guys, I'm like really hot because I'm super excited. I'm like sweating. I should probably put on like a different shirt, but I'm not. My bag. Okay. I'm so excited. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. A long time no see, guys. Yes, it has been a while, but I've been making quite a few different transitions. I'm making little but minor home improvements to my first apartment, my first home, so I've been really busy with that. I have been looking for employment, but I'm still just working from home and staying home full time with the baby. So yeah guys, I had some free time and I actually had to do a lot of errands today, and I had to go to the post office because I missed my package that I actually just went to go pick up. Guys, and excuse my hair, it's in a hat. I am actually due for my hair appointment. I'm gonna get my braids, but I just got back from the post office and I'm so excited because my bag. Okay, I have some scissors here. I'm just gonna cut it open. Okay. I'm kind of mad because I did miss the UPS man, the United States Postal Service man. He did not leave a notice on my door. I just so happened to track the package and they time stamped it at 3:36 p.m. and they said no secure location. Okay, it looks like this. I'm gonna take it out. This is all that it comes with. Nothing comes in the box. Kind of not happy about that, and I'm hoping that there is a dust bag in here because if it's not, I'm gonna be pretty upset. So, it's like this. Let me just open this bag. Oh my god. I'm open the bag for you guys. This comes in plastic like this. Just gonna open the plastic. Here's my invoice or some paper receipt from Macy's. And this is the lovely bag. This is the KORS Mott large chain swag shoulder leather bag. And it looks like this, and price has been snatched off of it. Originally this bag was $358. It has a long crossbody strap. I'll show you. So here's the long crossbody strap, and it actually widens as it gets higher on the strap, and then it comes with this beautiful metallic gold detailing on the bag. And of course, the thing that sold me the most on the bag was this gorgeous chain. You can carry the bag, and this is in the metallic Deco, like on your arm, which I think is totally cute, totally like bougie, and I probably might wear it like this. So is the crossbody. So here I am with the bag on, and what's really cool is that how you open it is a turn lock. How awesome is that? It is so beautiful. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the bag. And it's just such a classic bag. It's leather and insides. Would you look at that? It does come with a dust bag. Oh my god, I know, fancy. Or tissue paper. Okay, gold print. This also comes in silver. Don't forget about this beautiful chain bag. How gorgeous is that? Okay, it has like a nice accordion style on the sides. So it's very classy, very edgy, very striking, but it is a little small for me. Like medium, smallish medium. You do have a back pocket back here. See? It's my KORS on the inside. Yeah. And it's leather with the polyester lining. Okay, so the inside is polyester and it is a leather handbag. Full retail was $358. When I went to Macy's and was browsing around because I had some interviews and things there, which I'll talk about in another video, this is for the bag, but I ended up getting another interview or another like meeting, and my bag in the back was there. But when I went home and did research, the bag was actually a lot cheaper on Macy's.com than it was in the store. So the bags were additional 40% off, and this bag was marked at $214.98. So when I made it to the checkout, I asked her to see if the promo online was still going. Oh, I thought the chain came off of the bag. Look at this. This part hooks to this piece right here. This chain hooks to this loop on the bag. It's an adorable bag. It's very well made. You do have a back pocket back here. So let me just show you. It's a snap closure back here. So maybe your phone for easy access. Really nice to go inside of here. First, Michael Kors handbag. I can show you really quickly. Okay, this was my first Michael Kors handbag. This is it. I do not know the style, the name, or like when it came out or anything like that, but it is a classic flap over. It kind of reminds me of like the Marc Jacobs bag. I don't know, but there's literally a hole in this bag and it just zips like this, and it has another front compartment, but it's black and gold. I love black and gold, obviously, and also crossbody, so very versatile and optional if you're a mom or on the go or like to be hands-free. Very, very nice. So I wanted to hop on and show and share you guys the unboxing of my Michael Kors Mott Deco metallic bag in gold and black. If you guys like this video, do me a favor, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, if you like what you see. And definitely leave me some comments down below and let me know what your favorite bags are by Michael Kors, or what bags you have by him, or if you plan to purchase one day. So yeah, that will have to wrap it up for the video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.